This video is about how we can use AR and VR technologies in our design. What are the few apps which are already using the AR and VR technologies for the better user experience? As we all know, augmented reality and virtual reality is taking place everywhere nowadays. How it is taking place in UX UI design? I think you know about Snapchat. Apart from that, I show you a few of the apps that is actually doing a great job in utilizing this AR and VR technologies. Number one is GoSheet. You can use this application by downloading from the app and then start seeing like how the interface is looking like. If you click on any of the if you want to try on something, you can click on any available categories to try on. I'll try on watches now. Let's see how it goes. Number two, you can have a look on is dressing. It will help you to try dresses on yourself. Number three is Augment. You can buy products and see how it fits in your home and where you can keep it. It shows also the width and height of the product so that you know how much space it will take in your place. How you can design these technologies and at least start with this type of design. So you can replace 2D images with 3D images or videos. That will help you to create 3D models in your design, which will look alike. There are a lot more apps available such as House and Road. Maybe you can check in Play stores and try to use them and see how the interface looks like and start entering into the revolution of AR and VR technologies. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.